Welcome to JobSiteSoftware.com. Job Fair Software. What is job fair? A job fair is an event in which employers and recruiters interact and network with potential job seekers. List of job fairs. View job fair dash. Step number 1: Add job fair. Log into admin. Click on job fair. Admin can create multiple job fairs. Add new job fair. Click on new button on top. Fill all the job fair form details and press preview button. Check your job fair preview and save. Job fair added successfully. Step number 2: Recruiter. Apply for job fair. Register as a recruiter. Fill sign up form details and click on sign up button. Go to next. Choose demo plan from rate card. Confirm your order. Recruiter registration successfully done. Now check latest job fairs and left correspondence menu added by admin. Click on job fair title and check complete details of job fair. Check complete job fair details and go back to job fair page. Now you can apply for this job fair, then admin will approve. You have applied successfully. Now admin will approve your request. Log in for admin approval. Go to job fair menu left side and click on recruiters. Now turn on the status so that the job fair request of the recruiter will be approved, after which the recruiter can post the job for that job fair. You have approved the recruiter's job fair request successfully. Now recruiter can post job with this job fair. Go back to recruiter dashboard and post job. For post job, click on post a job button on top. Fill the complete post job form and select to link job fair with this job. Link job fair with this job. Now you have posted one job for this job fair. Now check job fair detail. Job posted for this job fair. Now you can check job fair detail. Admin can check total jobs for this job fair. Job seeker can apply for this job. Thanks for watching. For more info please visit https://jobsitesoftware.com.